Ready to dive into a bowl of deliciousness? Let's make miso ramen. First, let's make our miso paste. Mix miso, garlic, and 3 tablespoons of water. Easy peasy. Optional step. Season your protein with miso paste, cook it, and keep it warm. Don't forget those veggies if you're adding them. Now, onto the miso broth. Boil water in a medium pot. In a large stock pot, warm sesame oil. Add miso paste and saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Add water and broth packets. Bring to a boil, then simmer for 8 to 10 minutes. Want eggs? Boil them for 8 to 10 minutes, then cool in an ice bath. Peel and keep warm. Time for noodles. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes, drain and rinse. Toss in a little oil to prevent sticking. Finally, assemble your ramen. Divide noodles into bowls, ladle over the miso broth, and top with your favorites. Menma, green onions, nori, sesame oil, chili garlic sauce. Yum. Serve with halved eggs, protein, and sautéed veggies if you like. Enjoy your meal.